have come here to Verna, and ladies and gentlemen, wherever we go in Goa, whether it is somebody's house or whether it is a temple or a church, we must follow protocol. So what I am going to do is I am going to remove my shoes here, because we have come to a carving over here which is dedicated to the mother goddess. And why have we come over here to Verna to show you this is because this particular idol was initially and originally at Kurdi, under the water of the present day dam. So, along with the temple of Mahadev, which was shifted stone by stone, and ladies and gentlemen, this is the third such case in the world which happened here in Goa. The first happened in Egypt when the Ashwin Dam was being built, and there were two huge pharaohs which they cut and they shifted. Second thing happened at Hyderabad when they were building another dam, and the third time it happened here in Goa, your Goa, My Goem. And it is the first of its kind, the shifting or the transposition of that Mahadev temple from the village of Kurdi, laterite stone by stone. Earlier they were of granite or sandstone, but here it was stone by stone which was shifted from the village of Kurdi, because it was going to go underwater. Like you have seen the Someshwar temple and all the houses, how they have gone underwater. This also would have. So also this idol which is carved out of laterite, this is dedicated to the mother goddess or mother earth. So next time you are here in Verna, come and visit mother goddess, all carved by Goans of the past, your past and my past. Let us help Goa to retain this pristine heritage that we have. Let us honor those artists who created such things many centuries ago, because in doing so, we will be ensuring that whatever acts we do today, they will be recognized centuries henceforth. So for you, ladies and gentlemen, mother goddess from the village of Kurdi, which today goes underwater along with 17 villages when the waters or the monsoon waters of the Salali river gets dammed by the Salali dam. Say my thanks to all these friends of mine who are behind, the people, villagers of Kurdi village, who have come and on this very hot day to show us three very, very important things. Now at Verna, there is a huge laterite carved image of a lady called as Mother Goddess. It was brought from this village. Behind me, you can see a laterite stone that has been cut in a rectangular form. This is the place where the mother goddess statue which we see at Verna was placed. You can see how they have cut it out very religiously, I'll use that word, lifted it out, and from what my friend Mr. Sarvesh Borkar informs us, it was lifted by the crane, put on a trailer which was brought in on this track that I am walking on, and it was shifted to Verna. So today when you go to Verna, opposite the original site of Sri Mahalsa at Varunyapuri, or right in the middle of Verna, there is a shed towards its southeast. And in this shed, you will find a long laterite structure, and this is brought from this village of Kurdi. We will be now taking you also to the Salali dam on top, where you will see a temple and you will see a plinth of a temple. The plinth of the temple looks like it was here, and the Mahadev temple which we see today at Salali. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, why I am taking you to this particular temple, because it is the first case in the world where a laterite structure has been transplanted at another place, and it is the third such case in the world. So we have got something added to the firsts in Asia and in the world, and that temple of Mahadev was here. You can still see the plinth of it, and all of them were next to the Bosle Band. What you see behind me has traveled all the way from Kurdi to come and place itself here next to the amazing Salali Dam. Ladies and gentlemen, you will not believe it, but this is the third such case of transplanting of a edifice, archaeological edifice, from one place to another. The first happened in Egypt when they were constructing the Aswan Dam. There were two huge pharaohs made out of sandstone which were cut, and they were lifted and they were taken to another place. The second time it happened in Hyderabad when they were constructing another dam. And here in Goa, when they were constructing this dam, Salaulim Dam, in 1983, they realized that this big edifice that we see behind was going to go underwater. So what they did, they identified and named each and every stone, and you can see all the writings over here, and they moved from there to here, because if it had remained underwater, it would have disappeared. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the first of its kind transplant using laterite stones from one place to another. Earlier, either they were sandstone or they were granite. But here in Goa, in Salali, whenever you come over here, beautiful botanical gardens over here, and right next to their guest house is this temple that they have recreated after picking it up from Kurdi. You have seen the place where it was. Nearby you see another plinth over here, also brought from Kurdi. And here you can guess how difficult a task it was for them to bring all those things from there and put them up over here. Months and years of hard work. So ladies and gentlemen, Goa has got a lot of richness, and this richness can only become more richer if you come over here whenever you have the free time. Normally we go out for holidays, we go out for tours, but we always forget our Goa. And then sometime we will get back and say, My Goem, My Goem. That's why this program called as My Goem goes around different places in Goa with my cameraman, and by God, it is a very, very difficult task for him to shoot in the hot sun. And we try to get these things for you. Yes, there you are sitting down in your bedrooms and in your sitting rooms and watching this program. But just like you want your relatives to come to your house and share a few moments with you, our heritage sites also want you, your children, the generation next, to come and visit them. Please come, put your hands on this particular thing, because what you are seeing behind me, these stones over here, are carrying a message, carrying a sentiment, carrying an emotion from centuries back to now. And it is offered to you free of cost if you just have the time to come and touch it, put your hands on it. So ladies and gentlemen, after a very hot trail in the Kurdi basin, which we have taken you from where the entire South Goa gets its water from the Salali dam, we have taken you to the Someshwar temple. We have taken you to the place where they have excavated the mother goddess which is in Verna. They have created a feat, the ASI, that is Archaeological Survey of India, has created a feat by shifting this temple that you see behind me, the Mahadev temple of the 12th century, which was there in Kurdi, a very historic village. And they have brought it here, identified each stone with the numbering, the direction, the height, and they have recreated it over here, which we call as the transposed temple or transplanted temple of Mahadev of Kurdi. This is lying right next to the Salali dam. Salali dam is an amazing picnic spot. It has got a beautiful botanical garden. And come now when there is no water, and come then when the whole dam is full, and when it is full, 17 villages go under water. So ladies and gentlemen, I am sure that you have seen a lot of things which you have never seen before. If there is anything that you would like to tell us, good, bad, ugly, or you would like to know more about Kurdi, please write to us on this email over here, and we will try to get back to you. When we receive your views, we feel nice. We feel that there are Goans abroad in India and in Goa who have got some affection for My Goem. So thank you very much for being with me. Watch this program, My Goem, on Prudent TV with my cameraman for you in the next episode.